3.
Here we are in Louisville, Kentucky at the AAW convention at the Rikon booth. I'm George Wurtzel, and I'm demoing the new Rikon lathe. It has some incredibly great features. They've listened to people, obviously, and have found out the things that people want. It's 14 by 20, so you can turn 14 inches in diameter here and 20 inches long. If you put the extension on it that comes with it that goes off the end of the bed here, that'll put you out to 44 inches, so you can turn a 42-inch leg. So if you're doing pub tables or those kinds of things, you can get your 42-inch. Or if you're turning baseball bats, you got enough room to get a full-size Louisville Slugger baseball bat size on here. It has the ability to mount the extension on this end. You can also mount the extension on the opposite end and do some outboard turning and use your same banjo out there. It has a really unique feature on it. There's a stop over here on the side where on the ways, where that same extension will bolt on sticking out to the left. And people say, why would you want to do that? If you're turning a bigger bowl here, you end up having to extend your banjo way out to access the end of that. If this extension comes out here, you can move your banjo over onto this extension, and you'll take away all the bounce and all the vibration out of that banjo and give you a better cut. It comes with a 1-inch tool rest in it, so if you have tool rests that you've bought, from other places and that go in a 1-inch bore, you're all set. It has an 1.1 inch spindle on it, which means it's an upgrade from the old 3/4 inch spindles that used to be in these. So you get the bigger bearings, so you get a lot less vibration, a lot longer wear on the bearings. It has a 3-speed pulley over here for the motor with indexing that's right up on top. That's really, really easy to see and find. Sometimes the indexing is buried down low and it's hard to see. This one is right up on top at the largest diameter possible, so you get a good true look at what the degrees are. It has a reversible variable speed motor on it, so you have a speed control box, on-off box and everything. That's a magnetic mount on it, so you can put it anywhere on the machine that you want. If you're left-handed, you can put it on the left-hand side. If you're right-handed, you can put it on the right-hand side. If you're working up on a bowl and you want it right up here on top, you can put it on top. I love this feature. This I think is the best thing anybody ever thought of since donuts. And it has a great feature for changing the belt. I don't know if you want to walk over here on this side, Rosa, so we can show this down here. It's a single hand operation now to loosen the belt tension for this belt. When you pull this lever out, it's on a cam, which locked it in. And then you just move this lever up and down, and that lifts your motor for you, so you can change the belt in here. You pull this back down, get the tension you want, bring this back up, lock it in place. It's all locked down, ready to go. What a great idea. You can do it with one hand. You don't have to have two hands for it anymore. Magnetic closures on all of these openings, so when you close things up, they stay closed up. It is flat up here, so you can put whatever you want up there. There's a big, long rectangular plate now that goes on the bottom of this, so that when you put it in here, you get really good. When you turn this lever now, this does not move. It's locked in with having that big long plate on there. Easy to get on and get off. It's milled flat up here on top, so if you have a magnetic based light that you want to put up here, or if you have one of the magnetic bowls you want to put little parts and pieces on, up here at the top. Everything slides and moves nice. All the machining's done. The castings are nice. I can't say anything bad about this.
Very good. Appreciate it. Thank you, George.